Time now for Weather Watch, brought to you by Ag Risk Advisors and WSR Insurance.
It was just in that last Weather Watch where we discussed La Niña fading out, right? A couple of days after that aired, La Niña officially declared over with. That was in the ocean conditions. So here's a quick update on this. Plus, I think it's not just the March outlook, which we focused on last time. Let's go out into the summer. Let's be more specific with what you can plan on for the summer ahead. So let's get started with it. Again, you look at the ocean conditions, but these black highlighted boxes, I'll zoom in there. That's the ENSO region. El Nino Southern Oscillation. That's where we look for El Nino or La Nina. In the case of the past 3 years, these three boxes were all blue, deep blue in fact. Very cold ocean, very strong La Nina. But we're seeing warmth spread from some of the right-handmost, some of the easternmost region into the central region, and eventually we'll work on this one too. But if we continue this trend of warmth that's been happening over the last couple of weeks, when do we hit El Nino? Potentially some hints of that this summer, and certainly by next fall or winter. Again, if this current trend continues. So if you look at February, March, April, here's May, June, July. Here's June, July, August. So summer, we have equal chances. Neutral, gray bar, El Nino, red bar. Then as we hit the fall, September, October, November, El Nino, although not dominant, it's still only just over 60% likely, but it is the most likely of the three scenarios. But in this Weather Watch, I want to get more specific on what could happen with El Nino or a neutral pattern this summer. So I went back and found all summers since 1950 that were considered neutral. And this is the map. Not much color, but that's the point. Meaning we're very near average in all cases across the country in a neutral pattern. A little bit wetter than normal with some monsoonal flow here for the southwest. What happens if this rate, this transitional speed, goes even faster than expected and somehow El Nino emerges for the summer? Look at the difference. Much wetter situation for the western half of the country, and there will be some drier pockets here off to the east. So by going from neutral, imagine a playground teeter-totter, going from neutral into El Nino, you start to see the balance of wetness on one side of the country, increasing dryness on the other. So two possibilities for the summer ahead. Don't go anywhere, because in future Weather Watch videos, we'll talk about this transition. Is El Nino likely this summer? Right now, neutral phase. Expect neutral conditions this summer, but we'll update as we get closer in time. That's this week's Weather Watch. Matt Makens here. Blessings to you and yours.
Weather Watch is brought to you by Ag Risk Advisors, with you no matter the weather. And by WSR Insurance, providing insurance solutions for more than a century. Visit their websites for more details.